Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Do you know that statement or that saying, what's old is new again? Well, do you remember the Wordy Traveler? I sure do, because it was one of those book boxes that I used to unbox on my channel. I think I have about 3 collabs with them in the past, and they are back under new owners, and they asked me to work with them again. So what I am showing you today is actually not their quarterly box, because this is a quarterly subscription of books and gifts and souvenirs, but this is their free, which I can get for you for free, their around the world travel box worth up to $99 worth of product that you will get for free if you subscribe to the Wordy Traveler. And why should you subscribe today? Well, I actually had a conversation with them. This is a quarterly book box subscription, and they said, what would make this box more attractive to a new subscriber or someone who's on the fence? And I said, lower the price point, especially for that introductory box. And they said, you know what? You have something going on there. So I got you all a $20 off code with Lisa20. Now this is a quarterly box where you pick what you want to read. If you want to read fiction, if you want to read nonfiction, or if you want to read a combination of both. In each book box, you're going to get 2, 4, or 6 books, depending on what you choose to subscribe to. It can be 2 fiction, it can be a fiction and a nonfiction. That's like if you get the 2 book box selection, or it could be 2 fiction, 2 nonfiction. I highly suggest you start out with the 2 book offering. I prefer fiction, so I would choose 2 fiction. But if you wanted to get 1 fiction, 1 nonfiction, you can do that as well. Each box contains the books, coffee, tea, a nice size souvenir from a country, a bookmark, and a book charm. And for the rest of 2025, you are going to get free tea from, I just want to get this correctly, Sleepy Bookworm tea for the rest of 2025. You're going to get that in addition to the tea and coffee already in the box. And you also get a postcard of the area that is covered for the theme for the month. So I know in the future they're going to go do some book boxes in Switzerland and I believe Australia. What I'm going to show you today is the bonus box. This is the bonus, let me get this correct for you, the Around the World Welcome Box, which you're going to get no matter what subscription plan you choose. Now, if you just wanted to go quarter to quarter, you can buy a quarterly subscription, cancel anytime. But when you buy quarter to quarter, you're going to pay $12.99 in shipping every quarter for that shipment. If you just do an annual subscription for 1 year, you're going to get free shipping. So you're going to save money right there. But if you want to try the quarter, it's a money back guarantee. You can skip or cancel any quarter. So say if they're going to do the next quarter in Switzerland and you're not really interested in reading any books in Switzerland, you can tell them, I want to skip that quarter and see what's the offering for the next quarter after that. All right. Hope I explained everything well. Lisa20 is going to get you $20 off. So when you go on their website and subscribe either for a quarterly or annual subscription, you're going to get this for free, which is worth up to $99. And you're going to get this free Sleepy tea as well. So 2 free items and then your subscription for either a quarter or a year. Let me stop blabbing. I'm going to put all the details down below in the description box because I know it's kind of a lot to track. I'll put the links and the code as well, my code. Let's open this puppy. Now, what you're going to get in here, this is the special box. You can get it just like so. There is about 6 or 7 gifts, variation of gifts. You're going to get 2 to 3 gifts. So what I show you in my gift box, you might or might not get. Actually, there are 6 different gifts you can get here. I got 2 out of them. Let's go. First, we're going to show you the tea. You're going to get a tea and a coffee in a little envelope just like this. You're also going to get this welcome card to tell you what's in your box. You're gonna get tea. I got English breakfast tea by Ohio Tea Company. I actually fell in love with Ohio Tea Company based on my past Wordy Traveler boxes. And when I went through that tea, I actually bought directly from this website because their tea is so delicious. So you're gonna get a nice full-size tea, and you are going to get a Wordy Traveler coffee. This is going to be every month. This is a given every month. You're also going to get, found it, you're going to get some charms in your special box. I got 3 charms. For a second there, I was like, I can't find them. I got this one. This one looks like a little bamboo. And a little lotus flower. I do junk journaling. These are great charms to put on tassels and stuff like that, but you could obviously create your own bookmarks, create your own little bracelet, and use these charms for wherever you might use charms for. I also got not 1, not 2, but 3 brass bowls from India. These are actually stunning. You can use them for candles, for trinkets, for plants if you wanted to. They put in 3 in my box, so I have a nice set of 3 bowls. And I personally love these because I do a lot of gardening, and I can see putting an arrangement of plants or candles in this, indoor or outdoor. So this was very special. I was really happy to see this in my box. Then, I did get a book too. I'll show you that last. I got this. Oh my. It's a ceramic bowl with a lid, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you it. My hair is getting all over my face. Sorry about that. I have like an uncontrollable hair day. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is also made in India. It's a beautiful bowl, which you can keep it in your bathroom, put cotton balls in it or makeup, and it comes with a beautiful lid. And I just think, look at it, it aligns perfectly, well, at least over there. It's just a beautiful bowl. I'm gushing. So you hopefully you get this in your surprise box. It's really pretty. So I actually got this book in my box. It's a fiction book called Where the Wandering Ends. It takes place in 1946, a family torn apart, and it says a sweeping multi-generational story of love, loss, and sacrifice. It is quite a synopsis inside here, and the book's author is Yvette Menezes Corporon. I hope I didn't butcher her name, but it sounds like a really good book about people trying to rebuild their lives after the war, and I'm pretty excited to read it. So that was my special book in this extra special free box if you so choose to subscribe. So let's do a quick recap. I got the book. I got this beautiful little bowl with a lid. I got 3 more bowls that you can use for plants, candles, knickknacks, whatever you want. Both of these are from India. I got some coffee, tea, and 3 charms, which they are here in this mess. Do not doubt it, they're here. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I think the $20 off code just to subscribe is really something to explore. They also have on their website, if you're unhappy, you have 90 days to contact them and they will make it right. No commitment. You can cancel at any time or skip any time. So if you want to try and get the free box, the free Bookworm Sleepy Tea for the rest of 2025, plus the book box, which you'll receive every quarter with either 2, 4, or 6 books, whatever you choose, plus a nice souvenir from the company that they're exploring. Check it out. I will leave the links below, and I hope you are gushing about this as much as I am, because I think this is a fantastic deal, and we'll see what the next quarter brings us. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me today, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.